Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Map. So first of all, launch Google Maps application on your mobile device. Then just search for a location that you wish to. Now over here, tap on one of the locations you want to pin. Then tap on the option of save. Now over here, tap on the option of new list. Now you have to give this list a new name of your choice. You can also give this list a description. Then tap on create at the top right corner. Now after creating a list, you can see that location has been pinned. Now just tap on another location. Then follow the same step and tap on save. Then tap on the list we had already created. I'm going to tap on this list named pins that I had recently created. And then tap on done at the bottom. Now you can see that another location has also been pinned on our Google Map. Now let's pin a third location as well. Now tap anywhere around your map. Then tap on save. Then tap on your new list and then tap on done. So now you can see that another location has been pinned as well. So follow these easy steps and that's how you can simply pin multiple locations on Google Map. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.